What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today, we're diving into CapCut. Now, if you think CapCut is just a simple video editor, this is your wake-up call because CapCut has built one of the most powerful AI video editing ecosystems out right now. While other editing apps are scrambling to add AI, CapCut's already built a full suite and it works wonders. We're talking full script generation, animated avatars, auto editing, smart cuts, real-time transitions, and much more. This isn't just a tool, it's an entire AI-powered workflow. Now today we're gonna dive into CapCut's AI ecosystem. I'm gonna show you how CapCut's AI tools work together to take your content ideas from raw concept to fully edited video in a matter of minutes. All right, getting started. Now, CapCut is available on iOS, Android, PC, and web. But for today's walkthrough, I'm gonna be showing off the mobile app. So once you download the app, you make an account and you log in. This is going to be the main interface that we're going to be dealing with today. Of course, the necessary links are going to be in the description as always here. Now, once you open the app, you can find the AI tools in a number of key spots. For instance, just go ahead and find the All Tools prompt on the home page and go ahead and click that. Now, as the name suggests here, All Tools is going to feature all the different tools within CapCut, and there is a ton to go through here. And we're just going to scroll a little bit until we find AI tools. Now, we're going to jump into the first AI tool today, and that is AI Story Maker. Now, let's say you want to make a video but have no script, no voiceover, no visuals, just an idea in your head. That's where CapCut's AI Story Maker comes into play. This tool takes your concept and turns it into a ready-to-edit video, complete with a script, scenes, visuals, and even background music. So I'm going to go ahead and click on AI Story Maker right here. And here we go. I can either enter a script right here in the interface, or I can get CapCut to actually help me out with this process. And I can go ahead and click on Generate Script. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we are going to get some help here with our script. We just got to give CapCut a few ideas here, and it's going to go ahead and build this script out for us. So let's come over to topic here, and I'm going to go ahead and say, create a short cinematic video about the history of space exploration with a reflective tone and epic visuals. And for key points, I'm actually going to go ahead and keep this blank, and we're going to keep the duration on auto here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. All right, now CapCut has given me a couple of different scripts to go through here. So I have the first one here, then we have the second, then we have the third. Let's go ahead and pick the first one here. All right, so we have our script in the top here, as you can see. Now there are a couple of other settings to go through as well. So we have visual style. And if we scroll from left to right, we have a whole bunch of different options to choose from here. Maybe we want to go with anime. We've got dreamscape. We've got low poly, futuristic, dynamic. And if I go ahead and click on this little expansive symbol here, let's go ahead and do that. It's actually going to show me a couple more examples of what the overall artistic theme is going to look like here. Let's go ahead and close this at the top here. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for futuristic, just to take a look here. This looks really good to me. Let's go ahead and close this. And now I'm going to go ahead and keep futuristic selected here. We can also click on voiceover right here. And we have a ton of voiceovers to select here. So right away, we are on the trending page here. We can click on new, click on TikTok, POV. Let's come back to trending. All right, we're gonna go ahead and choose sophisticated male. Let's go ahead and hit done. And for aspect ratio, I'm gonna keep this at 9:16. And we're gonna go ahead and hit on generate.
From the first moment humans gazed up at the stars, we dreamed of touching them. What began as myths and legends painted across cave walls transformed into the greatest adventure humanity has ever known. In just a single lifetime, we went from earthbound dreamers to cosmic explorers.
All right, and just like that, we have a narrated script, relevant visuals, and a full timeline ready to be customized. And we can even go ahead and add audio as well. Let's come down to the bottom right here and click on Go to Edit. So this is where right away we can go ahead and update the text, we can change visuals, we can swap out the music. So this is a built-in editor within CapCut. So let's say I want to go ahead and adjust the font. I want it a little bit larger. I want it a little bit unique as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this text piece right here. Let's go ahead and do that. And at the bottom here, I'm going to go ahead and click on style. And I'm going to come on over to fonts just over here. And let's go with this font right here. So we have this font selected. All right, that looks great to me. I'm going to go ahead and hit this check mark here. All right, so that's going to go ahead and update the entire font overlay to that style, that look. All right, let's take this a step further here. So I'm going to come on over to the second scene and I'm going to go ahead and click on this clip right here. And once I do that, I have a few options at the bottom to consider here. And we're going to come over to video effects. All right, let's go with luminance here. Let's give this one a go. All right, I love the effect that's having on this clip here. Let's go ahead and save this. And if we scroll back here, we can really see that scene really pop, especially with the font there. So that's looking fantastic. All right, we have a ton of animations to go through here, which can really give your video a nice visual transition effect here. So this one right here is catching my eye, the night blaze. Let's go ahead and click this. All right, so we have night blaze selected here. Let's go ahead and save this. And we're gonna come back to the beginning here. Let's check out this transition in real time. All right, that's looking fantastic. Let's go ahead and pause that. Okay, and at the top right, I can go ahead and export my video. Let's go ahead and do that right now. And we're exporting it in 1080p here. All right, so there is AI Story Maker. So it's gonna be perfect for creating visual explainers, storytelling without a full creative team, or just turning ideas into actual videos super fast. All right, now once your story is built, how about bringing it to life without getting on camera? Now, CapCut has a couple of tools just for that. One of those is AI avatars. So I'm gonna come on over to All Tools, and let's scroll down to AI Tools. And in the corner left here, we have AI avatars. Let's give it a click here. All right, now this is going to prompt you to pick a piece of content, whether it's in your library or within CapCut, to use with AI avatars here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a piece of content from CapCut here. So let's have a look here. I'm gonna go ahead and search up space. All right, I'm gonna click this one right here. All right, this looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and add this in the bottom right here.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
All right, and just like that, we have over 900 avatars to choose from different ages, outfits, backgrounds, or you can even clone your own here. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down a little bit here. Let's go ahead and click on Harold. All right, now let's go ahead and plug in a short script for our avatar here. So here we go. Okay, we've got a short script here, so I'm gonna go ahead and save this. All right, our clip is loaded up here, and as we can see, the avatar is just loading up the speech here. All right, let's go ahead and hit the preview button right here.
In 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon.
All right, this sounds great. I'm just gonna go ahead and drag my media clip here. And I'm gonna go ahead and close in this clip here just so it all lines up with our clip. So we have it just like that. That looks good. So let's have one more quick listen here.
In 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon.
All right, that sounds fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and hit export in the top right here, and our clip is being exported in real time. All right, so there you go. Super quick way to get a human sounding avatar to deliver a message on screen. So this is gonna be perfect for TikToks and Reels, explainer content, and YouTube intros. All right, now we're gonna jump into a seriously fun one. We're gonna try out the dialogue scene tool. So we're gonna come on over to the AI tools, and as you can see in the bottom right here, we have AI dialogue scene. Let's go ahead and click this. All right, so dialogue scene lets us upload a still image. So let's say we go ahead and upload a group selfie, and we can actually go in and assign different speech or a different line to any of the members in the picture here. So this is a super fun one here. CapCut animates the faces, it adds lip sync, and it brings it all to life. So this is gonna be great for comedy sketches, fake interviews, or fun reactions or commentary videos. All right, so I just went ahead and uploaded a classic travel selfie here. So we got a couple of characters. As we can see in the picture here, we've got two people here, and we can go ahead and assign what we want each character to say. All right, so let's go ahead and select the girl on the left here. All right, I've got a quick line for her to say, and then we can select the voice in the bottom left as well. So I do have it on Bestie, as you can see in the bottom left. Let's go ahead and hit generate. All right, looks like our AI avatar is ready to go. Let's have a sneak peek here.
Just out here romancing the world one selfie at a time.
Of course, you can really let your imagination run wild. Maybe you have a picture of you and your friends, plug them in here, give them something to say, and just have some fun with that one. All right, now let's jump into another feature here. We're gonna check out Video Translator. It's right here. Let's go ahead and click this. All right, now with one click, CapCut translates your video into another language, adds a synced voiceover, and even matches lip movement. So let's go ahead and take a previous video that we did and do a translation. So for example, maybe we want to translate English to Spanish here. Let's go ahead and click the language here. So we have translate to Spanish. We have lip sync as well. Let's go ahead and apply this.
En 1969, el mundo asombrado vio a Neil Armstrong pisar la luna.
Right, so we just went ahead and changed the voice to Spanish on the previous video there. Of course, we had the English subtitles because that was all exported in that video there, just to show you what was actually said in English. All right, so there it is, a full AI-powered content creation pipeline using CapCut. So you can go from idea to script to avatar, to editing, translating, all the way to publish. All right, so if you're looking to work faster, tell better stories, and keep up with the pace of content in 2025, CapCut makes it all feel effortless. Many tools are available to try with pro options depending on your region. So hit the link in the description below to explore CapCut AI for yourself and let me know what you end up creating. Catch you on the next one.